Hi guys, so welcome back to our Addins tutorial. So today we will be discussing about camera capture. So Material Camera Capture is a widget that captures the video stream for the camera using the MediaDevices.getUserMedia. So this was from the Streams API natively, and this widget can capture images from video to allow us to upload from server for photos and recordings. So let's get started. So let's dive into the code. So first thing that we need to do is as usual, we need to define our um, add-in widget. So we have material camera capture, and then here let's just play this one, and then we have this tutorial page. We just run it, and you have it there. Maybe I can just open up the webcam so you can see me there. So that's it. So that's the basic one, so you can just include that. Next thing what you can need to do is you can check also if the Streams API is available to your browser, supported by your browser or not, because some browsers doesn't support it, so you need a fallback into it. Maybe we can just discuss the HTML video 5 later on in order for you to add a fallback support to your camera capture. So here let's just define material camera capture, and upon on attach you can just toast. You can just if material camera capture is supported, I think. Maybe let's figure out. Yeah, oh, this is static. So material camera capture that is supported, then we can just else, let's say let's remind the user the camera capture API is not supported by your browser. So that's how it goes. And then if it is supported, then what we can just do is maybe let's copy paste this. We can add the handlers. Okay, so maybe instead of logging it, we can just close it just for the test. Okay, so that's how it goes. So we register the handler if it is supported, and also we can also what you can do is if it is supported, then you can just hide it and display something else. But right now we're just doing like this one, and then okay, let's test this out. So right now I'm using a Brave browser. So yep, so it was started, so everything looks fine. Next thing is you need to do is to maybe we can just add a button, text capture. Right, we have capture, and let's define this capture. And what we need to do is to capture this image and display it into material image captured. Right, so right there. Okay, so let's just copy this to, oh, there's a typo right there. Okay, so let's define the material image captured, right? And then we register a handler called at UI handler capture volume capture click with the click button. And then right there, let's define. So once the camera is captured, so we need to get the URL from the camera. So in order to get it, we need to do capture to data URL. You can also capture to data URL provided by mime type or mimi type, mime type, I think. Yeah, it's so here. Okay, so we have the URL right there. So what you just need to do is to set this to URL. Okay, so you have that, so you captured it, so you set the href or URL of the source of the image. So let's define it. So you have the capture button right there, so let's just say hi and capture it. So as you can see, there's an image right there. So okay, so that's how it goes. So you can capture any videos or an image. So for the next tutorial, maybe we can just discuss also the videos, but right now let's capture it by an image. So okay, so you can also do lots of things. For example, if you want to pause, stop the camera, and there are lots of methods that you can adapt. Also, we have capture the data URL. Yeah, so the other one, play, restart, you can restart it, set pause on unload, pause on unload, and export it. So those are just the basics of the material camera capture. So I hope you enjoy this mini tutorial for the camera. So see you soon in the next videos. Bye.